where the sun's hitting the top of the hill there, or the cliff, is where we walked along. We've dropped into here, into a conifer woodland, but I've chosen this area because you can see through the canopy, so I can still do some stargazing. And here we are. I've just been playing around with a few things. I've just used a mixture of bungees and knots. Still got the marlin spike hitch there. But that's it really. I'm trialling the frontline hammock. I got it because the travel hammock was just, there's too much condensation, so we've gone for the frontline hammock this time. And I've got the bush box stove. I got some wood set up. I've just stuffed my rain sack from my bag, stuffed that with bits of clothes, and found a rock, put that on. I can sit there in front of the bush box and look up at that. See if we can see some shooting stars. You probably can't see me now because it's too dark, but I've just had my marinated lamb cooked on an open fire, which was beautiful. I say beautiful, it was a bit greasy. And I'm just getting a brew on now, look, big ass cup of coffee. And then it'll be too dark to film. I know it's only 4 o'clock, but it's December, it's middle of winter, and I'm just going to see if I can survive the cold. But what we've got, I don't know if you can see that. You can see I've chosen an area where it's thinned out a little bit for a conifer wood, so I can see the stars. But what I might do is, once I've had my brew, I might take a walk, see if I can find a clearing and just lie down and see if I can see some shooting stars. And that's it. I'll maybe do a bit of filming later, but to be honest, I'm not too fussed about it. I'm more happy to just enjoy my time out here for the next, I don't know, what time is it for? I don't know, the next 6 or 7 hours. I'm just going to chill and find peace. So unless anything riveting happens, or unless I'm freezing to death and I want to make a final will and testament with my GoPro, I shall see you all in the morning. What a lovely, lovely sight to wake up to. was freezing last night. Yeah. It's the only way you'll learn. I gambled. I rolled the dice. I got a 1. It was really cold. My back was freezing. Hey ho. Still wicked though. Still had a good time. Just real cold. Didn't sleep much because of how cold I was. Yeah. It was -2, -3, something. Really cold. There you go. It's the only way to learn. The only way you'll ever get your kit perfect is through having a cold back, or not enough food, or not being able to get a fire going, or whatever. The only way to learn is trial and error. It's the best way. Right, speaking of trial and error, I don't even have any water left. Which is a bit of a ball ache. So what I'm going to do is, I can hear running water, so I'm going to go and see if I can find where that running water noise is coming from. Fill my bottle, purify it and boil it. And then I think my morning brew, I think what I'm going to do is pack up. I'm going to have my morning brew at that folly that I came across yesterday. There's nice views up there. I'm going to get up now anyway and break camp. And that's me done. No sign that I've ever been here. Let's go and find some water and see if we can get up on the cliffs and have a brew so we can have some better views. Whew! Look at that. I just climbed up there. with all my gear on. And look what's at the top. You probably can't pick it out on here, but you hear that noise, that's the barking sound of a deer. Just down there. One there too. Stunning, absolutely stunning views. Look at that. All the frost as well, getting thawed out as the sun rises. It's worth getting a freezing back in that over.
Where we spark, kickstart the party. Rhyme ever dark and kick like karate. Right to your heart and fast as Ducati. Keeping it naughty, people who want it, want it, want it, want it, want it, yeah, yeah. Boy, 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 boy. Vibe where we spark, kickstart the party. Rhyme ever dark and kick like karate. Right to your heart and fast as Ducati. Keeping it naughty, people who want it. Straight up on the top of this, box to spit another one. Going anywhere me want, gypsy in a caravan. Free with it, free spirit going to the motherland. Anywhere you come from, virgin you should understand. Man a champion, try no ever mock a man. Standing on my tones like Johnny in the octagon. Saying me no afraid of any kind of hater. Powder neither lotion, virgin me no cater. Tell a fascinator, busy pan a rise like we a ride a escalator. Building up the vibes and we a stack a liquor paper. Rolling pan the mic and man a flip just like a skater. Stick a couple trigger, make you shake your money maker. Separate who are real and who are fake.
Them bits. Running back to the camera, I feel like a dick. It's all for the final look though. Makes a nice video for me to look back at when I'm a fat, bumbling mess. Peace. Peace and love. Have a wonderful time on this spinning rock in the middle of nowhere. Because we're here for a very, very short time. So make the most of it.